Hey y'all, it is Candy. Welcome to my channel. If you guys have not been here before, I try to put out videos weekly on some keto recipes, sometimes carnivore recipes, always low carb though. If y'all are interested in finding out how I made this crispy, crunchy carnivore tortilla shell, stick around and I will show you how. So are you guys ready for some crunch in your life? Sometimes it is so hard for us as a low carb community to get a good crunch, especially with tacos or nachos. So today I am hoping that we can satisfy that craving. What we're doing today is we are going to make some low carb tortillas that we are going to make crispy. So I'm going to put a link right here to the video where I have made Chef Fat Gram's low carb tortillas. It's a very simple recipe and it turns out wonderful and delicious. So these are my tortillas that I made and they are already cool. If you can see that, they are soft and pliable. They make wonderful tortillas. They save great in the refrigerator. So we're actually going to try making these tortillas crispy. I'm going to try it two different ways. The first way, we're going to throw these tortillas in the microwave on a microwave safe plate. We're going to cook them and see if we can make them crunchy. All right, so this has been in the microwave for about 1 minute. On high, it is definitely crisping up, but it is still pliable. So I'm going to throw it back in there for another minute. All right, so this has been in the microwave for 2 minutes. Let's see how it works out. I can see that the tortilla is slightly brown and it is very, very stiff. I'm going to try breaking a little piece off. I can hear that it's still pliable. I don't want to keep cooking it because I don't know if it's going to crisp up upon sitting. It seems like it's getting crispier. I'm going to let it sit here for just a second and then I'm going to test it out in about a minute and see what we have at that point before I cook it any further because I do not want to burn it in the microwave. All right, let's check this out and see if it has gotten any crisper. I think it has. I think 2 minutes is about right in the microwave. I hope y'all can hear that, but we have ourselves a chip. This is perfect. All right, we're gonna let that sit there just a minute. We're gonna take another one of these. My other thought is we can fry this in either beef tallow or some ghee, and I'm gonna fry it in some ghee. So let's fry it up in a little bit of ghee on the stovetop in a pan. I got a pan over here. I just got to heat up some ghee. I'm going to heat it up over medium heat, get it some crisp, see how long that takes, put some salt on it, and we're going to see which one we like better and how it works frying it up in some ghee. You could use beef tallow or lard or anything that you can think of that's a keto-friendly oil or fat to fry it up in. All right, so I got my grease. I did it on medium high, but I just turned it down to medium. And I'm just going to fry it up real quick on both sides until I think it looks like it's going to be crispy. Then I am going to sprinkle some salt on it. Oh, look at that, you guys. We may have to lower the heat because this is the first time I've ever tried to fry these. But it looks very, very promising. I turned it down now to between medium and low. If I have the heat up too high and it doesn't get crisp, I'm going to do another one. Because I think we'll be able to make this work. Man, that didn't take long at all. You see that? That is golden brown. So let's see if it's going to get crispy. If not, we're going to try this again over lower heat. All right, I'm going to try one more over low heat. Because it doesn't seem like it's crisping up, but it may be something that I can throw in the microwave after this to crisp up. It may just crisp up too fast in this oil. All right, you guys, we did the shells actually 3 different ways. We did them in the microwave, 2 minutes cooked on high. Then we fried it in ghee on medium heat, cooked a little bit too fast and did not get crispy. So then I microwaved this one for a minute. And this one I cooked it on low, decided to turn it into a taco shell, and it crisped up. So you guys, I think that this is going to work. We are going to test these out, see how it tastes with the taco meat. So let's check it out. All right, so first we are going to test out the one that was in the microwave and see if it's still crisp. It's been sitting here for about 10 minutes. Sounds like a chip. All right. I can definitely see these as nachos, you guys. Yum, yum, yum. Yum. It's good. Crispy taco shells are back in my life. So easy. The microwave method is super easy. You can make these shells up ahead of time. Have them in your fridge. I've kept them in the fridge before. They stay fresh. When you're ready for your taco night or nachos or whatever you want, pop them in the microwave, 2 minutes. You could even cut them up into triangles if you want your Dorito-shaped nachos. Anyway, look at that. Keep them like this. You have yourself a tostado. Tostada? Tostado? You know what I mean. Anyway, we're going to try out the one that we cooked in the lard. Well, we cooked in the ghee. So the one we fried up, it was not crispy at the end of frying it up, but it was brown. So then I microwaved it because I did not want to waste it and I wanted it crunchy. So let's see how this one turned out. There you go. Doesn't seem as crispy as this one, but it's still crispy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. good. Really good. As far as crispness, just the microwave one takes the cake. As far as easiness, microwave one, really good. But it's still good. But for me, sorry, between the two, for my taste buds, because of the fact that there's not a huge difference, I'd go with easy. So I would do the microwave one. Okay, look at the beautiful shell. We're gonna have a taco. Yum. Okay, let's stuff this baby. Let's make a pretty taco. Oh, well, I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess. That's all right. You guys, can you imagine, like, you could make oh, I think I'm breaking it. No. You could make flavored chips. You could buy different types of seasoning that are keto friendly. You could have yourself different flavors of chips. I could see salt and vinegar. I would like that. For sure. All right, you guys, let's test out the taco. This one I fried all the way in the pan. This is delicious. This one may be my favorite. Man, my stomach just growled just tasting this. You guys, this doesn't even taste like pork rinds to me. It's wonderful. Now, I will say, when you stuff it full of the meat and cheese and everything, it's been sitting in here for probably 5 minutes because I was trying to take pictures. So the inside is not as crispy as it once was. So when you fill your tacos, eat them immediately, because once the moisture starts getting to it, it's going to lose some of its crispness. But I hope you can hear it is still definitely crisp. I've been waiting for shells. Shells that are easy and that are not full of cheese. Not everybody wants a ton of cheese every day. Cheese has a tendency to stall people, so we don't want to eat an overabundance of cheese. And there's people out there that just want to avoid cheese, or they may have a dairy intolerance where they don't want any kind of cheese. So this taco shell would be perfect for people that just don't want cheese in their shells. I'm being a pig because I just want to eat all of it. It's so good. All right, y'all, I am closing out the video. If you are missing crunchy chips or taco shells or tostado shells in your life, on your low carb journey or keto journey, this is what you need to do, because whichever way you make it, you're not going to be disappointed. Easy, delicious, and low carb. Check out the description below, you guys. It's going to have links to the original video where I made the tortillas. I didn't want to bore you with making the original tortillas, so you can check that video out so you can see how to make the tortillas. You can do them ahead of time. It will be perfect. Just crisp them up as you want them. This is going to bring the crunch back into your life. You will not be disappointed, you guys. Make these now. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you guys found any enjoyment in this video, please give me a like, a thumbs up, and share it. Share it on Facebook or with your friends so that they know that they can enjoy a crispy tortilla or chip that is cheese-free on their keto journey. All right, you guys, thanks for joining me again, and I hope to catch you again here next time. Bye.